of like a seasoning. So what it does is just enhances the hamburger meat's flavor. Really, it's kind of like salt but better. Okay. Hand me on spoon so we can flip this. Anyone? So you girls watch this. Cook the Portuguese sausage for a little while more. Make sure it flips over. Try to cook everything on the side and whatnot. And then you go throw that hamburger inside here.
Right now?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, I do want to show you a video after. It's super funny. It's about me and Rylan when we were fighting.
The Portuguese sausage over here.
We all started
You can get
laughing.
rid of half of the oil that's in the Portuguese sausage. It won't go straight into the chili. You know what I mean? And then sometimes it actually tastes a little better with the little burnt pieces on the Portuguese sausage. You watch that. You can let it sit for just a little while. It'll take a couple of minutes before turning to maybe at least a minute. So that way it gets crispy on one side.
Uncle, you know what? That video I showed you?
Yeah, that was you falling over. Why?
No, I slipped on the water because, and then I slipped on
Don't you have to
water
stir
and I
your
fell
hamburger?
on the floor,
Chloe,
and we all
don't you have to stir your hamburger over there? Or are you just going to stare at it a little
I
while?
heard my butt.
Actually,
Yeah, you have to do that so it breaks up a little, okay?
yeah, let
But
it
in
go
a
for
minute.
little bit.
Yeah,
Let it go.
I tripped.
She's telling you when to do it when I'm telling you not to. Just let it go. Why what you're doing is you're gonna let it,
Hey, that's for your mom, you know, this video.
you're just gonna let it brown for a little while. So you just let it sit. We put our little beef bouillon for flavor. It goes right into the meat. Now let's salt our meat. So we're gonna use garlic salt, which is over here.
Oh, I'm trying to see. Oh, yeah, it must be boxed. See? Right there. There you go.
Which is